Xerox PrimeLink C9065 and C9070 printers. How to use custom color as a white eraser. Use this process to clean up copies of black print on a white page. The black print will remain, but it will look cleaner because the printer will not pick up the yellow tint of the original image. Log in as the system administrator, then press the machine status button. Go to the Tools tab. Under System Settings, select Copy Service Settings. Select Custom Color. We suggest that you choose Custom Color 6, where it is less likely to be accidentally changed. Select Custom Color 6. Change settings. Input the values yellow 1, magenta 0, and cyan 0. Save and log out of admin. To use custom color to erase white, navigate back to the service's home screen and select Copy. Under Output Color, select More. Select Dual Color. Click Target Area Color. Select Custom Color 6, then touch Save. Select Non-Target Area Color to make sure that it is assigned as black, then touch Save.